here to do an unboxing. I'm very excited to have an advanced copy of Arthur Corwin's just published book, Robin Hood's Barn, and I'm going to have my first look at it now. I remember back in the early 80s when I went to Cooper Union, he was just starting to work on this book. He spent decades working on it, and then with the help of his editor, Yvette Francis, he had finished the manuscript before he died in 2017. And here it is. Wow. Robin Hood's Barn, A Study in Ice Age Culture by Arthur Hill Corwin. It's really nice. Back cover, front cover. Wow. Yvette did a really nice job on this. It says for Isabella on the dedication page. That's his wife. Oh wow. It's 400 pages, and it has, wow, 195 chapters. Necessity may have been the mother of invention, but numbers were the children of the cold. Okay, so I'm going to take you through a few pages in the book. I'm seeing it for the first time too. It's written in short chapters with lots of illustrations and lots of captions. So it looks like it'll be easy to digest. The mechanics of the procession. Warriors and cauldron. And here's Venus. Venus has a diamond shape down here. There's some great stuff in here. I can't wait to dive in. Wild man, wild woman. Using cards to calculate the year. Some of these caves were discovered after I took his class in the 80s. So there's a lot of material here that I didn't hear in any of his lectures. That'll be interesting to dive into. Looks like Yvette did a great job helping him organize the material. And towards the end we get into some of the popular culture stuff, which was Blondes, Alice in Wonderland. This is going to be great. On November 1st at Cooper Union, we're going to launch the book, and Yvette Francis will be there, and we hope any of you who are in the New York metro area can attend. It's going to be absolutely prehistoric.